A chili may look small and simple, but behind its fiery taste lies extraordinary power and an incredible journey that begins in the vast chili-growing regions of China and ends as a legendary spicy sauce on dining tables around the world, especially in Vietnam, where chili sauce has become a cultural icon. Every year, enormous chili fields across China produce nearly 70,000 tons of chili peppers, feeding global demand and supporting a massive agricultural ecosystem, where precision, patience, and technology work together. This story starts at the very foundation of chili farming, where soil preparation plays a critical role in determining the future of each plant. Farmers carefully analyze and condition the soil to ensure it contains the right balance of nutrients, proper drainage, and ideal structure to support strong root development. Once the soil is ready, high-quality chili seeds are selected and sown with care, marking the first step in a long and carefully managed process. To maximize success, these seeds are not left to chance. Instead, they are raised in modern nurseries where temperature, humidity, airflow, and light are strictly controlled. This controlled environment significantly boosts germination rates and ensures uniform plant growth. Within about 7 days, the seeds begin to sprout, pushing tiny green shoots through the soil, and by the 15th day, the seedlings reach approximately 5 centimeters in height. At this early stage, the plants are extremely delicate, so farmers and technicians closely monitor them, providing precise watering schedules, balanced nutrients, and protective measures against pests and sudden weather changes. This nurturing phase continues until the seedlings are strong enough to survive in open fields. When the young chili plants reach a height of roughly 10 to 15 centimeters, they are ready for transplanting into large-scale cultivation areas. In the past, this step required extensive manual labor, but today, modern agricultural machinery has revolutionized chili farming. Automatic transplanters now handle this task with remarkable speed and accuracy, gently placing each seedling into the soil while keeping the root ball intact, reducing transplant shock and minimizing root damage. Plant spacing is carefully calculated, usually ranging from 30 to 50 centimeters, depending on the chili variety, allowing each plant adequate room to grow, absorb sunlight, and carry out photosynthesis efficiently. Throughout the growing season, attention to detail remains critical, as healthy chili plants depend on consistent care and timely intervention. Water management is especially important, and farmers often rely on advanced drip irrigation or sprinkler systems to deliver water evenly while preventing waterlogging, which can damage roots and invite disease. During periods of heavy rain, proper drainage systems help protect crops, while in drier conditions, irrigation ensures plants never experience prolonged stress. Alongside watering, fertilization is carried out at regular intervals to supply essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which support strong stems, lush foliage, abundant flowering, and ultimately higher yields. Pest and disease management is another vital aspect of chili cultivation, as these plants can be vulnerable to insects, fungi, and environmental stress. Farmers apply plant protection solutions, including pesticides and fungicides, at carefully chosen times to shield crops without compromising safety or quality. With the right balance of care, chili plants grow vigorously and begin producing fruit, and after approximately 2 to 3 months, depending on the variety and growing conditions, the peppers reach full maturity. At peak ripeness, the chilies display a vivid red or distinctive mature color, signaling maximum flavor, heat, and quality. Harvesting marks a major milestone in the journey, and on large commercial farms, modern harvesting technology plays a crucial role. Specialized harvesting machines are designed to handle plants gently, selectively detaching ripe peppers while minimizing damage to both fruit and plant.
Once removed, the peppers are carried by automated conveyor systems directly into transport vehicles, dramatically increasing efficiency and reducing reliance on manual labor. Smart sensors integrated into these systems help optimize harvesting by detecting plant health and reducing crop loss. But despite these technological advances, mechanical harvesting still faces challenges, such as accidentally collecting peppers that are not fully ripe. To address this, an additional grading and quality control stage follows, where harvested chilies are passed through separators and sorting lines. Here, green or underdeveloped peppers are removed to ensure only high-quality produce moves forward. The selected chilies are then prepared for transport to processing facilities, where the next transformation begins. The journey continues in Vietnam, where harvested chili peppers are turned into world-famous sriracha-style chili sauce through a combination of tradition, precision, and modern food technology. Upon arrival at the factory, the chilies undergo thorough cleaning to remove dirt, debris, and any remaining impurities. Advanced washing systems ensure hygiene and food safety from the very start. After cleaning, automated sorting machines evaluate each chili based on size, color, and overall quality, allowing only the best peppers to proceed to the next stage. Lower-grade chilies are not wasted. Instead, they are repurposed as animal feed or organic fertilizer, supporting sustainability and minimizing waste. The selected peppers are then ground into a fine paste, and during this process, additional ingredients such as garlic, sugar, salt, vinegar, and carefully selected spices are added in precise ratios. This careful formulation is essential to achieving the signature balance of heat, sweetness, tanginess, and depth that defines authentic chili sauce. Once blended, the mixture enters the cooking stage, a critical step that not only brings all flavors together, but also eliminates harmful bacteria, extending shelf life and ensuring food safety. The sauce is cooked at carefully controlled temperatures and durations to preserve its vibrant red color, bold aroma, and distinctive spiciness. After cooking, the sauce is filtered to remove any remaining solids, including seeds or skins, resulting in a smooth, consistent texture. The refined sauce is then cooled and transferred to automated bottling lines, where sterilized plastic or glass bottles are filled with exact quantities of sauce before being securely sealed. Quality control remains a top priority throughout production, and each batch undergoes rigorous testing to evaluate spice level, color, flavor, consistency, and safety. Only products that meet strict standards are approved for labeling, packaging, and global distribution. Thanks to advanced production processes and uncompromising quality control, the final chili sauce not only delivers a powerful, unforgettable taste, but also meets international food safety regulations, earning the trust of consumers worldwide. From a single seed planted in Chinese soil to a finished bottle of chili sauce enjoyed across continents, this journey reflects the remarkable collaboration between agriculture, technology, and culinary tradition. It is a story of how a humble chili pepper, nurtured with care and transformed through expertise, becomes a global symbol of flavor and heat that captivates millions. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your feedback in the comments as we continue exploring fascinating farm-to-table journeys from around the world.